In this video, I will talk about data mining, which is a way of finding information from data. The content of the course is mostly coming from this book, which I find very clear on what are the problems and the methods to find this kind of information by looking into database. In terms of wording, I prefer to use data mining, which relates to the methods which are used, rather than big data, which relate to the size of the database we are looking into. So first of all, why is data mining or information retrieval so important? It's so important because in this Industry 4.0 area where we are living, we are facing infobesity, which means that data is collected everywhere. And from this data, which is quite expensive to collect and store, it at an economical level, but also environmental, because storing data in huge data center requires a lot of energy, so it has a big impact on environment. So it's important to take a step back and think about why it's important to store data, which data is really important, which can be discarded, and how it can be used to make educated decision. So the important thing about data storing is really how can we use it. And to do that, data mining is a great tool. So data retrieval is not new. It started at the same time at database creation or formalization. So from the 60s, data were stored in huge kind of rooms who were computers, but data were stored. And from this time on, method to store data, to retrieve data through SQL queries and so on were very important. And from this research, from this evolution, we were able, from the beginning of the 90s and now on, to really take advantage of this data which was stored and use them to make good, hopefully, decision. So the definition that I use to explain what is data mining is finding interesting information, which means that information, non-trivial information, something that not everyone knows, implicit information that was not explained before from large data sets, because data can only be reliable if they are numerous. So if you have only 2 or 3 data, you can find information, but the reliability of this information will be quite poor. Other name for data mining is oftenly used is KDD, which is knowledge discovery from database. Business intelligence is also a word that is often used in job or internship offers. So when you see that, you have to make the link, okay, business intelligence is in fact data mining. It's only a nicer way of saying that, more modern, I think, but it's the same thing.